Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing camera and scene. Mount the camera on a tripod, lock exposure and focus so frames don't shift. Once done, compose your first frame and capture a 5-10 second test at 24 FPS to audit motion. Make sure the set elements are anchored. Small anchors prevent drift. Next, establish a simple motion plan, 1 beat per 3-4 frames, and take 5-10 frames practicing the movement so you know how much to shift each capture. You now perform the controlled middle work. Move objects in consistent increments, using a ruler, pegboard, or custom jig so each shift is repeatable. This preserves smooth timing. Capture single-frame photos, then review playback every 30-60 frames to confirm motion reads correctly. Make sure to keep lighting and camera locked. Any change will jump on playback. Once you identify a pacing issue, adjust the increment size rather than speed, and continue shooting an organized. You finish by importing frames into your editor and aligning them on a timeline at your target frame rate. Use onion skin or a frame-stabilized tool to correct tiny position shifts. Once done, add sound effects and music timed to key frames, and render a short test at final export settings to verify sync and smoothness. If you spot jitter, middle solution. Apply subtle warp/stabilize or reshoot only the faulty segment with smaller, more consistent increments to preserve the rest of your footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.